Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl tamarialakayye coming to you with another video on my SisterLocks. I recently started documenting my journey where I go from a 4C loose natural to a locked natural. So if you're interested in natural hair content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you're not missing out on any of my future videos. So today I just wanted to come and give you a really quick review over the interlocking tool that I used to complete my first SisterLocks self retightening session. Let's just go ahead and jump into the video. So first and foremost, I just want to say thank you guys for all the love and the support that I got on my last video that I uploaded on my first SisterLock self retightening video. Really appreciate all the comments and the likes, the new subscribers, and everything of that nature. I did want to go ahead and create a video today to show you guys what interlocking tool that I used for that self retightening process. I got the tool off of Amazon for $9.95. It took about 7 days for me to actually receive the tool, so it wasn't too long before I actually made the order. They processed it and shipped it out all within a week. It did come with free shipping, which is a good thing because it's just a little bitty tool that they're sending you, so I don't really see the need for you to have to pay like $5 or $6 for such a little item to be sent to your house. So that was also a plus. So basically the tool comes in one of those little yellow envelopes, of course, with the packaging sticker and everything on that. And then this is what it looks like once you get it. This is a little bag that you can keep your tools in. So inside the bag you have your 2 interlocking tools. It also comes with their little business card, which I think is so cute. So on the front it just says thank you. It does have the name of the company, which is Locsanity. It has some information at the bottom to where you can visit their website and get 10% off on your next purchase by using the code that they provide for you. Then on the back as well, there's some information on interlocking. It gives you information and instructions on the 4-point and 3-point rotation. And also they give you a rotation if your hair is really prone to slippage. I don't know if that's the reverse pattern, but I know that's usually what people use when they have a lot of slippage. So it gives you an example. If you have 4A, 4B hair, then you should be using a 4-point. If you have 3B, 3C, then you should be using a 3-point lock rotation. Now, this is what the tools actually look like. So it's like almost like a banana shaped tool. And the other one is basically the same size. There's not really a difference in the size, except for there's like a tiny bit, but I believe that's just the way that it's made. I don't believe that it was intended to be a smaller or different size. They're pretty much the same. I actually like this tool. I liked it way better than the one that I reviewed before because, for one, it's smaller and it was a lot easier for me to handle as far as getting them through my hair and just holding on to it in general. I will say that if you're going to use this tool, a tip that you can use to get your locks through there is just to kind of fold your lock, almost kind of like not in half, but just fold it so that you get a little loop so that you can stick it through easily. It'll slide up and down your lock and you might be like, oh, my lock is gonna slip. True, if you leave it just like this, it will slip. But if you bring your lock all the way up into the very corner of the tool and then twist it, it'll hold it in place while you do your rotation. I lost at least one of them each time that I was doing my retightening session. So try to keep one in the bag and actually keep the bag closed until you need to use the other one. Overall, I do like how small the lock tool was. It was easy for me to get a really good rotation close to the scalp. without me having any issues. I do have tiny locks, so that was not a problem with me getting my hair into the interlocking tool and actually completing my rotation. Like I said, once you get your hair in the lock, you do want to go ahead and twist it a few times just to kind of hold your lock in place so that the lock tool isn't slipping. Like, it was really simple to use, so I would definitely recommend this. I was going to try the locker tool, but I heard that takes months to actually get made and get sent to you, and then on top of that, it's a bit more pricier than the Locsanity tool, so I just went ahead and opted to get this one instead. The London locker, I don't know, I just didn't really like that tool, how you have to press it, and it just seemed way more complicated than what it needed to be, so I was just like, nope. The easier the better, especially if you are just starting out with self retightening or trying to do it yourself. You want something that's going to make your life simple and easy, so you want to just make sure that you get something that you feel comfortable using, and this right here was it for me. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave them down below. That's pretty much it for today's video. I am going to leave the video where I did my self retightening at the end, and also another video on a previous lock tool that I reviewed, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And that's pretty much it until the next video, you guys. See you later. Bye.